Hi everyone, welcome to Q's Kitchen. Today we're making baked chicken, just like Grandma used to make.
Yeah, there it is. Perfect, sizzling, crispy on the top. That is a perfect dinner.
They have the bone in and they also have the skin on. And now we're going to take it out of the package and put it in our dish and get it prepared. Okay, so you have your chicken. I like to rinse my chicken off first. I don't like to just put it right in here from the pot. And look, we got this big size here. I got a real nice big chicken breast on one side and a smaller one on the other side. So this is probably going to be $3 per person, which is pretty good. So we're going to take a little bit of oil, whatever oil that you have. You don't have to do anything fancy. Whatever oil that you have that your family likes. A little oil on there. And then we're going to put a little bit of spices. And again, whatever spice you like. It's very easy. Simple. Cooking is simple. Just put a little salt. That's pepper. A little salt. This here I like to put a little. That's your chicken prepared. On the side, you're going to put your vegetables. So we're going to do our vegetables next. You want to make this easy on yourself? There's carrots that you can get. If you have canned carrots, that's fine. Throw the canned carrots in there. These are carrots that were in the bag. And when you go in the produce department and they have the carrots in the bag, just throw some of those carrots in the bag. They're already done. I bought a bag of potatoes. Usually the bag of potatoes are a little less expensive. Way, you can even get a can of potatoes. Do you believe it? They have cans of potatoes. They're little white, small potatoes. They're already done. And you can just put cans of potatoes in. Otherwise, just cut up your potato. You can cut it in little chunks like I just did here. Little chunks. How do you do that? Again, if you want to leave them big like that, like wedges, you can. Otherwise, I'm going to cut them and make them into bite-sized pieces. Okay, now we have some onion. And cut the edge of the onion off. Cut the other edge off. You can do it whichever way you like. Cut this in half. You want to take that, peel that first little layer of skin off like that. And the other one, peel that piece of that skin. Nobody got that off. I go to work every day, so I do this before I go to work. I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it up and then let it cool down. I'll put it in the refrigerator, and then when I come home from work, I will reheat it again. But if you get home early enough, it's going to take you about an hour so that the chicken absorbs all those juices and makes it all nice and good and delicious. And then we'll turn it back over, so we'll flip it. But right now, we're just going to keep it up like that. We're going to put it in the oven, uncovered, for 20 minutes, and then we'll see how it comes out. Ooh, look at that big chicken breast there. We're going to turn it over so the juices get into the chicken. The reason why Grandma knew how to cook so good is because she always checked it. She was checking it, and I know.
I hear sizzling. Let's check it. Let's take it out. Ooh, do you hear that sizzle? I hear sizzling.
And back in the oven it goes.
Put it in. Yeah, there it is. Perfect, sizzling, crispy on the top. That is a perfect dinner. Now we're perfect. It's beautiful. You did it. You did it. Beautiful chicken dinner. Around $3 per person. This will feed between 3 and 4 people.
Okay, here's your little bonus Q-tip for today. Because I am going to eat this when I come home from work later, I am going to take the bone off. So here's your chicken, and you can see I pulled off the bottom and pulled that bone off. So this way, when I come home later, I won't have such a mess. So that bone is out there. There's all that bone, so I'm going to put this back in the pan. Put it back in the oven for 10 minutes, heated it up. It's all cut up, and now it's time to eat. So here we go.
Looks delicious.
It was delicious. We had dinner for two and we have a whole dish left over. And you know those plastic containers that you get when you go out to eat or wherever? Save them, bring them, when you recycle them, reuse them, save them, and you have chicken and vegetables. You can have it for tomorrow or even 2 days from now. Put it in the refrigerator, put that lid on, put it in the refrigerator, and you're good to go. So that was dinner for three for just about between $3 and $4 per person. That was a great deal.